Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. Happy Friday, everybody. It is Friday, the 25th of March. This is our weekly recap. If you want to join us, come on over to smartoptiontrading.com. The link is in the description below. Please, by the way, subscribe to YouTube so you can get these videos for free. Click on live trading alerts. You can join us for $25 for the first 30 days. Join our Discord community with private Zoom and Twitter as well, and see everything we're up to and what's going on. So, as the market's coming in here with about 30 minutes to go on Friday afternoon, you can see here it's been actually a pretty decent but choppy week. So overall on Monday, we had a wide range doji, pushed up on Tuesday, closed near the highs, gapped down on Wednesday, closed on the lows, gapped up on Thursday, then pushed up again today, and have been all over the place today on what's going on. And what's going on here is the market is really starting to disconnect itself from the macro environment. The macro environment, while not healthy, you have inflation raging and it doesn't seem to be bothering it. You have the Fed coming out very hawkish, probably looking at a 50-point basis hike in May. You have the Ukraine war dragging on, and you have the Saudi attack today, under attack on their oil fields today. And the market's basically so far shrugging it off and holding above the 200-day on the SPY all week long. You notice the oscillators here remain very heated, and that's probably one of the things here that is currently causing some problems. Another thing that's causing problems here is the 10-year yield. The 10-year yield pushing all the way up to 250 today. This is a new high. We haven't seen rates up like this since back in October of 2018. So you can see big push up on the 10-year yield as we continue to push higher up there. That's hitting everything. But meanwhile, the Qs, which were leading this week, kind of an uglier candle today, but strong. They've been leading up lately. The VIX has been smashed down. There's nothing going on there, almost back to the 200-day. Crude continues to hold in very strong here. And the real trade all week long, and if you look at what's going on, it remains in commodities. X is on a new multi-year high here. So is Cliff and Nucor, right? These are all steels or iron ore names. Freeport, the FCX, copper remains strong. Aluminum taking a hit today. Alcoa had two downgrades back to back, getting a little bit of a hit on that. But overall, that's staying strong. Mosaic put in another multi-year high. I think that's heading towards 80. We've been talking about that. And it's really been commodities. Chevron this week and oil, nice push up today. Oxy had a nice day, week, put a new multi-year high in on Oxy. Same thing here, ExxonMobil waking up. Devon also continues to run. And we've had big strength in those names as we head in. And now we're starting to see the strength back into tech. Apple, while just going red here, it was up 9 days in a row until about a half an hour ago. You can see here it just sold off here finally in the last half an hour. But 8 days in a row, 9th day here, just extended, really needs a break. Tesla finally took a couple of days off after it had an 8-day move here as well. Huge move on that. They paid. Nvidia yesterday the room was over that, breaking out finally. Big push up there, but not a great candle today. Same thing with AMD. Both of these broke out yesterday, but not great candles today. The semis remain a little bit tough when you look at this world. Yesterday, Facebook. It's all been about Facebook. You can see you had this very nice chart set up here where it was making this low-level flag. And yesterday was smothered in flow and it closed on the highs. And today you got a nice push early. We all made nice money on it in the room here today and got out. And it couldn't keep pushing. But overall, big, strong move on Facebook. I do think the 50 days in play if this market holds up here. It's currently around 238.60, but coming down. That's an easy move for it now in a couple of days if it wants it. Bottom line is, these type of things today, you can see in the left corner, it was flow. Boeing had a couple of nice days. We see Tesla, gold. Gold had big flow in it on Wednesday going into the close, and you got that big push up on Thursday and a nice trade on that. You can see those weekly 193 calls were hot. 7,000 of them came in, and you can see kind of how the commodities were in play, and then there was a lot of tech names that came in. So bottom line is we'll see what kind of news and headlines the weekend brings. Hopefully it's a fairly quiet weekend. That would be very nice. Very slow week of earnings next week. We do have Micron though, however, and we'll see where we go from there. So again, if you're interested in learning more about us, joining us, come to smartoptiontrading.com. If not, have a great weekend, and everybody else, catch you live in the room on Monday morning.